I'm giving you the first alert that we will see heat build back in as it stays mostly dry throughout this week. However, I can't rule out isolated chances on Thursday for precipitation, and our heat indexes will rise into the triple digits as we go into this weekend with humidity increasing. Currently from our Prairie Band Casino and Resort Live Storm Tracker, we are seeing clear skies across northeast Kansas, with a little bit of cloud cover also developing, making for a mostly sunny late afternoon into the early evening hours from our Skycam in Emporia, sponsored by Washburn University. Current temperatures across northeast Kansas are sitting from the mid to the upper 80s right now, around 87 in Topeka, 87 in Emporia, 88 in Manhattan and out in Concordia. So warm right now, but we will see those temperatures descend from around that upper 80-degree mark into the upper 60s as we go into the overnight hours and into the early morning. So it will be a little bit warm maybe to be outside for that dinner tonight, but it will be cooler as you start off your day tomorrow and commute to work or whatever other activities you may have planned. But it will warm back up into the upper 80s and even into the 90s by tomorrow. Tonight's forecast, I am forecasting it to be in the mid to upper 60s with clear skies and easterly winds. Those easterly winds continue into tomorrow as we will be in the 80s and 90s, and we will see mostly sunny skies once again, but we will see increase in cloud cover as we go throughout our day into the evening hours, and we will be in the 60s once again, mid to upper 60s tomorrow night under partly cloudy skies. That is all because we get a little bit more moisture into our air mass that we have over northeastern Kansas, and we will see more cloud cover develop, the possibility for a couple isolated showers as well as we go through your Wednesday evening, but more isolated to scattered in capacity as we go into your Thursday evening and into the overnight hours before we clear out and see less cloud cover going into Friday. And we will also warm up by then on Friday. Between now and Friday, we could also see between around 1/10 to 2/10 of an inch of rain across northeast Kansas, depending on where you are. It will be hit or miss at times, so that's just something you need to note. But our main story after that will be the heat, as our temperatures will rise through the 90s this week, and we will see them rise into the mid-90s by this weekend, potentially getting up near the triple digits in some spots, but we will see that humidity take over, bringing those heat index values into the triple digits by Saturday, Sunday, into Monday. However, the good news is that we will start to see a cooler air mass possibly move in as we go towards midweek next week. So the Climate Prediction Center has highlighted us in a normal area as far as temperatures here in northeastern Kansas, and to our north looking below normal. So we may have some relief on the way. That would be anywhere from 5 to 10 degrees below what we have been seeing over the past week or so. But it will be warm for Fiesta. You will want to note that rain chance on Thursday with a couple rumbles of thunder, and you will want to be paying attention to that. Maybe bring a poncho as well, but then we will warm up into the upper 90s by the weekend before we see that cool down by midweek.